Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK World channel. Today's, we will show you Gundam plastic models, custom built by verka. HGBF 144th, Lightning Gundam with back weapon. The MSZ-006 LGT Lightning Zeta Gundam is a Gunpla from Gundam Build Fighters tribe. Based on the MSZ-006 Zeta Gundam, it is built and piloted by Yuuma Kousaka. Technical specifications of Lightning Zeta Gundam. Classification: Custom High Mobility Mobile Suit. Model number: MSZ-006 LGT. Official name: Lightning Zeta Gundam. Overall height: 19.8 meter. Weight: 60.1 metric ton. Finally, this is HGBF 144th, Lightning Gundam with back weapon, custom built by verka. For more information, go to http://vrka.blog.fc2.com/blog-entry-538.html. For news and more information about Gundam plastic models kits. Please subscribers GMK World channel.